Good evening, everyone. My name is Sagar Padbagal, and today's date is the first of August 1st October 2021. And today's our topic name is IOC and IC. IOC means inversion of control. Inversion of control is a principle of software engineering, which is the transfer the control of object or portion in a programming to a container or a framework. We most often is we user it's the context of the object in oriented programming. Object oriented programming in constant with a traditional programming. It is a traditional programming which is our custom code make the call in a library, call to the library. In IOC is an inversion of control enable to framework to make control of the flow of a program and make call or custom code. Enable to this framework use abstraction within the additional behavior built in. We want to additional our behavior we need to extend these classes to framework or plugging our classes. This is the advantage of this architecture is architectures are the decoupling of this execution of this task from the implementations and making either to switch between the different implementations and greater modularity of the program and greater easy in testing of a program by isolating a component or mocking its dependency and allow the component to communicate through its contract. We achieve the inversion of control through the various mechanisms such as strategy of design pattern, then service locator pattern, factor pattern, and dependency. This is the dependency injections. This is about from the IOC. And next is what is dependency injection? DI. Dependency injections means is a pattern we can be used for implementing inversion of control. Where the control being inverted is a setting and object is independencies. We connected the connecting object with other object or injecting object into a other object is done by the assembler rather than object is three sleeve it is. Then there how we would create the object dependency in traditional in this program. For traditional for example, we create one class is store, that's private method is private is item, then item is capital is class name, and small in object name, and second class store items is new item implementation. This is the injection diagram. This is the example for the this is the example for the direct injection. We can use for direct injection. We tried the example without specify the implementation is item that we want. Create the one class store, and this private items it is capital, and item is small is object create from the item. Then public store item in a small item one object create, and this keyword used for this item. And this we next section we look implementation this item in the meta database. This is both of IOC inversion of control and direct injection simple concept, but deeply implementation is way structure is our systems. Our system we are understanding for this fully. The Spring inversion of controls container. Its common character framework is implement LOC. It is a IOC. The Spring work is interface application concept contain construct representations of IOC container. Then the Spring work container is responsible instructing the configuring the assembly objects is known as beans means others what is object, as well as managing the their life cycle, the life cycle. This is the all about from the spring in job control and direct injector. Thank you.